Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Shafi'i from Trisakti Institute of Transportation and Logistics. Now I will discuss about inventory valuation method. The stock valuation method has a very important role in inventory management because it can affect financial statement, inventory policies, and strategic decision of the company. Here are some points that explain the importance of stock valuation method in inventory management. Effect on financial statement. The stock valuation method can affect the calculation of inventory value in a company financial statement and cost and profit control. The use of stock valuation method can affect the cost and profit of the company and the inventory management. The stock valuation method helps in managing inventory more efficiently. Effect to tax. Stock valuation method can also have an impact on tax calculation. And product performance analysis. The stock valuation method help in conducting product performance analysis and risk management. The use of stock valuation method can also have an impact on risk management. By understanding and employing appropriate stock valuation method, company can optimize inventory performance, manage risks, and make better decision in achieving their business goals. Therefore, the selection of stock valuation method is an important aspect of inventory management that requires special attention from management. Method FIFO. The FIFO first in, first out method is one of the commonly used stock valuation method in inventory management. The basic principle of this method is that the goods or products that enter inventory first are also the first to be sold or used. Advantage of FIFO. The FIFO method has several advantages that make it popular in inventory management. Here are some of the main advantages of FIFO. In the first, accurate cost acknowledgement. The second, minimize risk of the depreciation. And the third, inventory value accuracy. And the fourth, tax accuracy. The five, customer certification. And the last, better stock monitoring. Although FIFO has a number of advantages, keep in mind that these advantages may be subject to change depending on specific business and market condition. Some business may prefer other method of stock valuation depending on their characteristic. Disadvantage of FIFO has a number of advantages. This method also has some disadvantages of or minimization that companies need to consider. Here are some disadvantages of FIFO. And the first, not maximizing tax advantage in the context of filling price. The two, potential overestimation of inventory value. And the third, those not always reflect actual production costs. And therefore, all product selection in the last not sustainable for business with short shelf life. Such method of stock valuation has its own advantage and disadvantage, and the use depend on the characteristic of the business, market condition, and managerial goals of the company. Therefore, company need to consider these factors carefully in choosing and stock valuation method that suits their need and strategy. Examples of using the FIFO method in business. Ningxi has a reseller business of K-pop album, imported directly from South Korea. In the first batch, he worked 50 albums which were sold for 300,000 rupiah. Then he worked another 30 albums for 350,000 rupiah, because in this batch he worked in different waves, and the was an increase in the rupiah exchange rate. In her first sale, Ningxi managed sell 3 albums top the FIFO method. The selling price for 30 album 300,000 rupiah, because the 30 album are included in the first inventory list. What about the remaining album? 20 on the remaining album from the first batch are sale price at 300,000 rupiah. Will the additional 30 album are priced at 350,000 rupiah? This is because based on the order of the inventory of the entry of the album into Ningxi business, with those 50 album left. Let's say Ningxi managed to sell 25 album. This means that the price for the first 20 album in 300,000 rupiah, and the first 50 album of Ningxi business are all sold. Then 5 album from this additional sale will still be priced at 350,000 rupiah, like with the remaining 25 album in the second batch. From the example case, it can be calculated the FIFO method operates following a useful logic to avoid obsolescence of goods. Ningxi will sell the first incoming inventory album first, and maintaining the latest album as inventory stock. Okay, next. Method LIFO. The LIFO last in the first out. method is one of the popular stock valuation method in inventory management. Unlike FIFO, first in and first out, which assumes that the goods that enter first are also the first to be sold. FIFO assumes that the goods that enter last are the first to be sold or used. Advantage of LIFO. The LIFO method has several advantages, especially in current context. However, it is important note that this profit often depend on the economic condition and tax regulation applicable in the business area. Here are some the advantages that may be associated with implementing the LIFO method. In the first, tax benefit in inflationary situation. In the second, reflect more actual cost. In the third, handling inventory with dynamic costing. In the second, reduce tax liability when profit increase. And next, disadvantage of LIFO. Although the LIFO method has some advantage, there are also a number of disadvantages and elimination that companies need to consider. There are some potential disadvantages of implementing the LIFO method. And the first, inventory value does not reflect the actual price of goods. The second, increase tax burden in inflationary situation. In the second, not sustainable for business with short life. In the fourth, inventory monitoring complexity. In the five, inventory value vulnerable to price fluctuation. In the last, incompatibility with economic principles. The decision to use the LIFO method should be carefully considered, and companies need to consider aspects such as market condition, tax regulation, and the characteristic of the business before implementing it. Some countries also have restriction or specially requirement regarding the use of the LIFO method in financial reporting. And next, example application of the LIFO. Example of companies that have inventory with several purchase transaction are as follow. First, purchase by 100 pairs of at price 50,000 rupiah per pair, and second, purchase by 200 pairs of at price 55,000 rupiah per pair. The third, purchase by 150 pairs of sauce at a price of 60,000 rupiah per pair. In companies use the LIFO method, they will assume that the last purchase is the first to be sold when calculating inventory value or cost of goods sold. For example, 50 pairs of sauce, then the CEO used is 50 pairs times 60,000 rupiah plus forecast equals 3 million rupiah, and thus the LIFO method takes into account the cost of goods sold based on the price of the most recent item in stock. It's important to note that the LIFO method is generally incompatible with equating practice in many countries and certain industries. This is because the LIFO method can result in greater reduction in profit during inflation, which can have an impact on the company financial statement. Before using this method, companies need to understand the consequences and ensure that this method is always in accordance with local accounting regulation. Comparison. The following is a comparison between FIFO first in first out and the LIFO last in first out. Method is the context of inventory management and stock valuation. The first basic principles. The FIFO, goods that enter early first in are considered the first to be sold or used, and the LIFO, item that enter last in are considered the first to be sold or used. In the second preoperatory value, FIFO reflects the price of older or lower goods. As goods that enter early are recognized first, and the LIFO reflect the more actual or anchor price of goods, because the last entry of goods is recognized first. Effect of financial statement. In the FIFO, gross profit that tends to be higher in inflationary situation, resulting in higher tax liabilities. In the LIFO, gross profit tends to be lower in inflationary situation, resulting in tax benefits Inventory management. FIFO minimizes the risk of the depreciation or expiration of goods suitable for product with short shelf life, and the LIFO may result in the selection of newer product less suitable for business with short shelf life. Conclusion. Inventory management, the selection of stock valuation method has a crucial role in shaping financial statement, inventory policies, and company strategic decision. The FIFO and LIFO method are two commonly used approaches urge with certain advantage and disadvantage. When choosing between Vivo and Livo, companies need to consider business characteristic, market condition, as well as the impact on financial statement and tax policies. Understanding and employing appropriate stock valuation method can help companies optimize inventory performance, manage risks, and make better decisions in achieving their business goals. Okay, everyone, my presentation is done. Hopefully, it can and add benefits. Thank you.